Good morning. I thought we'd come in here and just show you a wee part of a project that I'm making just now. You can see here I made some 3D ivy. It's all shaped and curved and whatever. It's got the embossing in the inside of there. So I'll stick these up and give you a wee look. See. What's up with this today? Right, first of all, I used an ivy die here. I cut out the ivy and the green card, and as you can see, it's just plain, nothing on it. Oh, come here. Just plain, nothing on it. Straightforward. It's got the bit embossing on it already, so that's good. Now, if you remember, I made my shaker cards and I had this foam that I cut out the middle, and it was waste, it was rubbish. Well, I just put that down. I use an embossing tool, quite a big one I would use for this. I have got a bigger one that come with the Glitter Girls things, but for this is big enough. And all you do is just rub it. I rub it, you know, like a line down to each part of the leaf. Some people just go in and rub it in circles, trying to get a good angle for you because the light's not in back yet. Some people just rub it in circles and it will eventually curve up just the same. See that? It will eventually curve up just the same. Personally, I like to follow the leaf. I think it's nicer if you kind of follow where the veins would be in your leaf. It just gives the leaf a good shape. And as I said, it's just a wee scrap bit of funky foam. You don't need to go and buy big expensive flower forming things. An embossing tool and a piece of funky foam will do the same job. Okay. So that's the shape. That's it all shaped out. To put a bit of colour on it, I'm using the normal Distress inks. I'll probably put a bit of green on it first, I think. Get my wee pad in the bottom. Now I have tried different pads. I've tried the wee finger daubers, and I've tried the distressing tool, you know, the one with the foam pads that velcro onto the bottom and it's got a wooden handle. I've tried that, but personally I quite like just a foam pad. I think you have more control over it. Right, and I don't want to colour the whole leaf. I just want to put a bit of colour on it with that colour. Then I'm going to get in with a wee bit of brown. And this is Vintage Photo. But it's dark enough for what I need. And I just kind of just brush that lightly over the top. I'm not really putting any pressure on it at all. It's just the weight of the pad is just rubbing over it. I just want a wee touch of a different colour. Just circle it lightly over the top and it's catching the embossing, so that's all I want. See that? Easy peasy. Right, now here's some leaves that I cut out as well. Just some plain bog standard yellow card. Nothing special. In fact, I think it might be the card that used to come in the pound shop, but I don't think they do it anymore. You used to get pink and blue and yellow in it. So here was the first step that I done last night, and again it's this Vintage Photo, and I just dab my finger into the ink pad. You can either brush it and get your brush marks, if you want to do that, or see if you just, especially with these felt pads, if you just press it down you get a kind of spotty look, and that's really what I'm after. I've got a load here done with some colours, so I'm going to come in with some other colours. I've got some orange here, and I don't know how well the orange will show up, obviously with it being a yellow card. It's not too bad. I'm not really looking for a uniform colour all over. Don't you think the weather's changing, especially here in Scotland? This last week or two it's like 10 degrees. The rest of England's getting 20 and 30 degrees and we're getting 10. Okay, just different bits of colour in different places. You don't want them all to be the same. Sorry, I'm away off camera, aren't I? Aye. I had to rearrange my shelves the other day. I went and got some more storage for my shelves in my living room. And I rearranged them and I had to move my camera, and I'm just not get used to the position of it yet. And if you bend up the wee ends, it doesn't matter because it gives all shape to your leaf. Okay. Put your wee pad in the bottom so you don't lose it. You can put a wee dab of green if you want, but I'll try one and see what it looks like. Because after all, your leaves would probably have been green to start with. Yeah, a quick and easy wee tutorial for you this morning. I hope you enjoyed that. Have a go. Remember, if you don't like it, it's only a piece of card. You can rip it up and start again. Okay? Right, thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye.